Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change Facebook page name. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. So all you have to do now, tap on this arrow to switch to your Facebook page that you want to change the name. So as you can see, here is my Facebook page. I'll tap on it. So as you can see now, I switch to my Facebook page. So now as you can see, here is the Facebook page. Now tap on this menu at the top right side again. So scroll all the way to down. After you scroll to down, tap on these settings. As you can see here, these settings under this privacy and settings. After you tap on these settings, all you have to do now, tap on this page settings. So now it will ask you now to tap on this section name. As you can see now, this name, tap on it. So after you tap on this name, as you can see now, here is now your Facebook page name. As you can see now, here is my Facebook page name. So now all you have to do now, go ahead and change your Facebook page name. So after you change your Facebook page name and tap on this review changes button, now it will allow you to change your Facebook page name. But note that if you change your Facebook page name once, you cannot be able to change it. You must wait for 60 days before you change it again. As you can see now, here is the policy. As you can see, Facebook says if you change your name on page or on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. As you can see now, here is the policy. So after you just agree with this policy, you can go ahead and change your Facebook page name. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.